it could potentially transform some of the biggest industries in the world: finance, banking, investment banking, venture capital, real estate, insurance, government itself. And it really does have a new way of looking at data. You can actually ultimately own and control your own data and keep that data up in the cloud, and allow scientists or whoever, data scientists, to figure out how to use that data. And I believe that that data will keep you alive longer. I think it will create better healthcare for you. It will probably make it so that your mind can be stored in the cloud, and all of everything you've done for the day, and where you've lived, and what you've eaten, and so not just medical records. And so suddenly your health and your history and everything will be tied to that data. I think that's going to be a really interesting project.